In this video, we'll talk about what is LTP, LTQ, and LTT. Okay, so I'll be talking about this short terms in this video. Okay, so in stock market there are a lot of short terms, so I'll be explaining you these three short terms in this video. Okay, this video is for educational purpose. So firstly, let's talk about what is LTP. So if you open NSE India website, when you are seeing any stock data or any instrument data, you can see their opening price, high price, low price, and previous close, and next to that you can see something as LTP. So LTP stands for last traded price. Okay, so the price at which the current market is trading upon. Okay, so for example, if the LTP is 246.50, so that's the current rate or a current price of that particular instrument or a particular stock. Okay, so LTP keeps changing in active session. Okay, so when there is an active trade session, the LTP keeps on changing. Okay, because whenever the stock goes up or whenever the stock comes down, the price will keep on fluctuating based on the orders what the instrument is getting. So that is LTP, last traded price. So, to simply put, it is a current trading price of that particular stock or a instrument. Okay. So now let's talk about what is LTQ. So if you are using Zerodha trading platform, you can see here in the market depth, you can see that this is an market depth data where you can see bids and offers, what are the orders kept and what are the quantities kept. Okay, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see open, high, low, close data, and there you can see volume and LTQ and LTT. So many of our beginners have this question, what is this LTQ and LTT? So LTQ stands for last traded quantity. Okay, so what is the quantity which went in the last order? So that represents LTQ. Okay, and what is LTT? That is last traded time. Okay, so LTT shows the last traded time of that current stock or a current instrument what you're observing. So these are the short forms of LTQ, LTT, and LTP. Okay, so these are the full forms of these short forms. So LTP stands for last traded price, LTQ stands for last traded quantity, and LTT stands for last traded time. Okay, so this are the full form of these short forms. Okay, so if you guys have liked this video, do give a like for this video, and also if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies without indicators, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.